In the past couple weeks, there have been several reports about the state of Steward hospitals in Massachusetts. Steward officials notified legislative delegation in Massachusetts that they plan to sell off 10 of their facilities and 4 of them need to be sold immediately, including Norwood Hospital, which hasn't been in service since June of 2020 due to flash flooding. Steward blames their financial struggles on low reimbursement rates for Medicare and Medicaid patients and the lasting effects of COVID. Governor Healey stated earlier this week that their focus is to make sure that patients have access to care and jobs are protected. Congressman Lynch spoke to NCM via phone this week.
Yeah, it's kind of scary to think that if, Steward is going to close, where are these people going to go?
Right.
Just like on a local level, obviously we're Norwood.
Right.
Norwood is in the middle of building a new hospital. Steward is. How does that affect the sale? I'm not sure if you can touch upon that, but, do you envision someone coming in mid-construction to continue this construction and build a hospital?
That would be very difficult. Even to get someone to come in and take over what they call a going concern, in other words, a hospital that is operating, is extremely difficult. It is that much more difficult when you have a hospital such as Norwood, where you have major construction going on, and so it greatly complicates things. You have a construction site basically, and so you've got construction loans that are the insurance on a hospital site where you have ongoing construction in progress is very, very expensive. There are also vendors and contractors that have agreements with Steward to build that to rebuild or create a state-of-the-art hospital as we were promised, just months ago. So it greatly complicates the situation at Norwood Hospital in terms of finding a new entity to come in and take over operations.
The new Norwood Hospital, which was slated to open in 2025, is in the middle of new construction. Norwood News will be following the story as it develops.